Hi friends, today we will discuss about quinidine pharmacological actions. Quinidine is obtained from Cinchona officinalis and quinidine is an alkaloid. Quinidine is used in treatment of arrhythmias and malaria. Quinidine usually as an antiarrhythmic, it belongs to class 1A drug. Therapeutically, it uses in treatment of atrial fibrillation and ventricular tachycardia. Some of the actions can be derived from the name quinidine. Let us go for pharmacological actions. Q. QT prolongation, QRS widening in ECG. Quinidine causes uterine contractions, that is, smooth muscle contractions, particularly in GIT. It causes peristalsis, leads to the diarrhea. I. It inhibits sodium and potassium channels, thereby prolongs action potential duration. Quinidine also found to cause a negative inotropic action. It depresses of diastolic depolarization that causes reduction in automaticity. On chronic use of quinidine, it causes intolerance. As a side effect, quinidine produces synchronism, which is characterized by tinnitus and long QT intervals. Apart from synchronism, quinidine also found to produce torsidas de pointes, which is a twisting of points. On eye, quinidine produces a blurred vision, rarely blindness. Thank you.